So who also sort of got so much of attention in the process as well. Toya.
Yeah, Hardik, Himani, both of you, we actually want to ask you because, you know, one of the things we're talking about right now, Chaya ji हमने ये नहीं बोला, but, you know, आप जैसे बता रहे थे, आपका मतलब decade long, more than a decade long आपका career रहा है. Today, obviously, we're talking about these films, but you've been in the industry for a while. Ayush, for you too, it's been a while of navigating. And just like that, right now, of course, Himani, Hardik, we're talking about both of you. Hardik, I learned that you were at one point also a finance expert of sorts, and then you switched track to making in different relationship related content, but there was a brief moment there we found. Himani, you were at Deloitte before you decided to jump full-fledged into content creation. And we had this question, you know, we're talking to actors who are established and they've had that long journey onto the red carpet. You both have taken this kind of untraditional route, jumped into it. Tell us, both of you, Himani, we'll start with you. Tell us a little bit about making that jump into what you do today. How, because Deloitte is a job a lot of Indian parents would say, Beta, don't leave it. You made that jump.
Yeah, they told me, don't leave it. Of course, Deloitte was like a dream come true for me. It was my dream company. I remember when I went for the interview, my hand was shaking because I wanted that job so much. And even after getting it, I had to fight with my parents that no, I want to do this. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. The exposure that I got, I loved it. I actually transformed from a student to a professional because it was my first job. But I don't know what happened during COVID when I had a lot of time to think about my career, my goals. So I thought, let's go back to my original dream, that was to become a teacher. You know, when I was younger, I used to steal chalk from my classroom. I'll come back, imagine my Almira to be the blackboard, and I'll, you know, teach imaginary students. I continued it in my post-graduation. I used to teach my friends. In my job also, I used to take training sessions. So I thought that, you know, this is something for me. So I was naturally inclined towards content creation. I thought that this is something that I should do, like this is literally made for me. So I started creating content, but yeah, it was very difficult for me to leave the job because parents को कैसे समझाएं? पेरेंट्स को कैसे समझाएं कि ये भी एक करियर है, जब खुद भी नहीं पता कि ये करियर हो भी सकता है और ऊपर से इतनी एक एस्टैब्लिश जॉब छोड़ो. तो हाँ, मैंने एक माइलस्टोन बनाया था कि अगर मैं इस कंटेंट क्रिएशन से इतने पैसे कमा लूँ जितनी मेरी सैलरी के हैं और मुझे कुछ फ्यूचर स्कोप दिखता है तो ही मैं छोड़ूंगी, वरना नहीं छोड़ूंगी. So yeah, I had to keep, मतलब दोनों बैलेंस करके मुझे चलना पड़ा.
Hardik,